Start an AI automation agency and make $10,000 a month with no experience. You've seen the pitch. Some of it is real, most of it is a course funnel. Here's the fact-check version so you know what you'd actually be signing up for. The pitch goes like this. Businesses desperately need AI. You connect a chatbot to their website with no-code tools, charge $2,000 a month, and repeat. Now notice what the person telling you this actually sells. Not automations. A course about selling automations. When the money isn't teaching the gold rush, that tells you something about the gold. It doesn't mean the business is fake. It means the easy version in the ad is. So what survives the fact check? The demand is real. Small businesses genuinely do want answering services, follow-up emails, appointment booking, review responses. And AI genuinely does these now. The tools are real too. The no-code stack can absolutely wire a chatbot to a calendar. And some people do run profitable one-person shops doing exactly this. That part of the pitch holds up. Here's what the courses skip. 3 things. First, sales. Finding businesses, cold outreach, meetings, no-shows. That's most of the job, and no automation does it for you. Second, maintenance. Automations break when a website changes or an API updates, and you're the one they call. Recurring revenue means recurring responsibility. Third, churn. A local business that doesn't see results cancels in month 2, so you're always replacing clients. None of that is in the ad, because learn cold outreach and customer support doesn't sell courses. Strip the hype, and a real business remains. It's just a service business. Pick one specific automation for one specific type of business. Say missed call text back for clinics. Learn it deeply, charge a flat monthly price, deliver well, and grow by referral. That's slower than the ad, needs actual conversations with actual humans, and doesn't require buying anyone's course. Every tool involved has free documentation and a free tier to practice on. So the verdict, real demand, real tools, fake shortcut. If you'd enjoy a service business with sales calls in it, this one is legitimate. If you were sold passive income with no experience, that product doesn't exist, here or anywhere. More no-hype breakdowns every week.